Hello and welcome. In case you are here for the first time, I'm JT. Today actually I'm in Johor Jaya, and in case some of you are not aware where is Johor Jaya, it's actually pretty close to Eon, Tebrau City, Topen, IKEA. It's maybe around 2 to 3 minutes drive from there. By the way, today actually I'm here is because my car needs some servicing. So while the car is still being serviced, I'm actually here somewhere around this place called CawanMas just to have my lunch. It is slightly after 2, so I don't think it's that crowded anymore. I actually purposely prefer to come at this time, which is not so crowded, to beat the crowd. Anyway, later on I'll be showing you guys this particular place. It is something which I think only a handful of places, or maybe 1 or 2 places that can be found in Johor Bahru, and it happens during Chinese New Year. So basically it's actually sort of a mini bazaar, which is something which I don't think a lot of people have really seen it before. By the way, I go makan first. Later on I'll show you guys around, so join me for today's vlog. Okay, fine, place to sit first. Okay guys, I decided to order 1 rendang chicken rice, 1 kaya butter toast, at the same time also 1 kopi C ice as well. So let's see how it goes. Rendang chicken 1, kaya butter 1, kopi C besar, ice. Yep. I think it's a standard butter toast. See guys, with the butter, kaya. Okay. Yeah, my kopi C peng. Wow, I think quite okay leh. Thirsty. Cao leh. I love it. Okay guys, last but not least, the rendang chicken is already here. Okay. Let's try first. I think the rendang should be quite okay. I see the texture is nicer. Not bad. So far rendang does not, I've never really tasted bad rendang before, honestly speaking. Flavorful, tender, very nice, very tender. The chicken meat is very tender. And then they put the crackers together with the rice, everything. Yeah, actually pretty okay, you know. Very nice, decent meal. Rendang boleh tahan bit. Syok lah. Try lah kaya tu. Butter. Okay guys, time to head out and grab the car first. Alright guys, I made it to the front entrance of the bazaar, but this is not the right time to actually go in right now because usually this time not many people. But anyway, let's fast forward to the evening and night time. Alright guys, it's slightly after 8. This is the best time to go and check the place out. So let's proceed on. Alright guys, first impressions of what I'm seeing, pretty good crowd actually. Well, you have your guavas here with your papayas, and you have pineapples. Lots of fruits. Well, you still have pomelos and some of the ginkgo, Chinese cakes. Alright guys, definitely feeling the Chinese New Year vibes all around. See so much goodies everywhere around. Pick and choose. Happening day. Wow, still quite a lot of people around this time, guys. Don't believe me? Check in front. Unbelievable people.
上零咧，你知無？佢哋嗰隻上零嘢咧，哇，哇漂亮了！哦，如果你會 freestyle 的，靠近過來。
沒有休息啊？
你會 freestyle 嗎？
要這麼扁嘛？啊？
我們
No money people, no money。
啊，別開玩笑。
啊，對對。
來一下。
Lots to pick and choose, people. Oh, 3 for 50 for crepe. In case you want. Guys, not surprisingly, a lot of people still doing their New Year goodie shopping right now. But I guess as we approach maybe to the final weeks of Chinese New Year, you will see even more people coming out. Because right now I can see only now the vibe, the counting down. Everybody is like slowly gaining momentum. Well, but honest opinion, compared to the last few years, this year has been maybe overall 100%. You see about 70%. I feel over the past few years, I've been not as many shops as before. Still, being hopeful, next year will be better. Okay guys, I think I will end the vlog for today. Anyway, thanks for making up to this far. Remember to share, like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Anyway, Happy New Year to all of you. In case I don't see you guys again, stay safe, be vigilant, and I see you guys in the next video. Signing off.